Flat abs, home workout, day 2. One minute, full plank. How long you should hold a plank? Since the plank pose mainly works your core, abdominal muscles, it is a great exercise to get rid of stubborn belly fat. Holding a plank for a few minutes each day can alone help to trump down belly fat and provide an appealing shape to your body. Crunches. It takes 250,000 crunches to burn 1 pound of fat, and working those muscles underneath won't matter if you still have a layer of fat covering them. Plus, crunches are one of the main culprits of back injuries, according to recent research. The primary muscle used in this exercise is the rectus abdominis, which is the six-pack muscle that draws your ribs to your hips. Secondarily, it recruits the obliques, which are the muscles that run down the side of your torso, and the deep transverse abdominis that stabilizes your spine and core. This elbows to knees exercise can help improve cardiovascular health, decrease back and joint stiffness, and strengthen core muscles that help the spine balance weight. Flutter kicks are a bodyweight cardio exercise. Perform flutter kicks by lying on your back and lifting your legs off the floor slightly, while bracing your core muscles. Alternate lifting one leg and lowering the other for several repetitions. Flutter kicks activate your hip flexor muscles, lower back muscles, and quads, while targeting your lower abdominal muscles more than other core workouts like sit-ups and crunches. plank are great for working the abs, and the elbow plank is harder on the abs than the traditional plank in push-up position. Start face down on the floor, resting on your forearms and knees. Push off the floor, raising up off your knees, onto your toes and resting mainly on your elbows. Motivation quotes of the day. What comes easy won't last. What lasts won't come easy. Thank you for watching.